Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how I find products to sell on Amazon. I'm going to show you the criteria that I use. I'm also going to show you some software tools that I've used over the years that really helped me. I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to take you through the process so you'll be able to see exactly what I do and how I go about it. So let's go. Hey, this is James from the Giant Marketplace, bringing you the best tips and tools for building your business on Amazon. On this channel, we like to do anything that's related to selling on Amazon, from tips to strategies, just like this video here. I'm going to be open and honest in these videos, and whether you're a beginner seller or an experienced seller, I'm sure you'll pick up some tips and tricks in these videos that are going to really help you to succeed online. Okay, so let's get to the video. Okay, so I've now shared my screen. I've got a browser for amazon.co.uk. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through the process, how I go about finding products, how I sort of navigate through Amazon to sort of pick me out areas and categories. I'll use some of the software tools and plugins as I go along and try and explain the process. So first of all, I guess what I want is a random word, or we could just start by selecting a particular category and hunting through there. So if I select a common category like home, garden, pets and DIY, we've got kitchen and home appliances, we could just select something here. Now we can see here we've got coffee machines, irons, fans, heaters, and then we've got all the categories down here on the left hand side. So I'm just going to select one here. I'm going to select fan heaters. Not because I'm going to be picking something in this category, but I'm going to try and see if I can find something or a keyword or something I can go off from here. I've just seen the word upright, so I'm just going to do all departments. I'm going to type in the word upright. So you can see we've got upright mouse, Go Posture Trainer. Let's have a look at that, what that is. So as you can see there, what Amazon has done, it has auto-completed this section based on the word upright. If I just go back here again, these are popular search terms that are being searched for on Amazon. Best place to get the autofill is from Amazon. So we'll go back to that again. Now you'll see that I've got this plugin, and just try and move my face out of the way there. You'll see it's by Helium 10. What this is doing is this is showing all the information that I would see in a listing. So let me turn that off for a second. So I'm only interested right now in products which are not sponsored. So anything that's showing up organically. In other words, naturally in Amazon, I type in that keyword phrase here, upright Go Posture Trainer, and these are the products that have appeared. Sponsored links, they're being paid for by that seller. So let me just type in a website which I absolutely love. It's Merchant Words, and I'm going to type in the upright Go Posture Trainer into there. This is going to then go back, and as long as I select the UK, this is going to tell me how many people are searching for that term. So the upright Go Posture Trainer is being searched 30,000 times. Now even though it says Amazon search volume, this actual stat is coming from Bing and Google and other areas. Even though it's saying Amazon search volume, Amazon only know their own search volume and they do not share this data. So just be careful when you see that on any of the tools. So if we go to the first one then, the upright Go Posture Trainer, which is this one here, Upright Go seems to be a brand, okay? So we probably want to see something like upright posture trainer, or upright trainer would probably be more like the main keyword. So maybe upright posture is our main keyword. try trainer. So we've got upright back trainer, upright back. I'm not really getting anywhere here to seeing this. Posture back, we'll try this. Okay, so this is what we look like to have on the main general keyword search phrase, which is back posture corrector. That's what we're looking at here. If we type that out here, and then we can see that these are all of the products which are ranking highly for this. This one here is the best seller. This has also got the most reviews, competitively priced. We're looking for products, when I search for products, I'm looking for products anything over £15 or more. The reason for that is you want to have some margin in your products. If you're selling something for £9.95 or selling something for £5, you've got, especially when you've purchased the product from your manufacturer, they've sent it to yourself, maybe straight to Amazon, it's then being processed at Amazon, you've got the seller's fees, and certainly for fulfilling by Amazon, it's the fulfillment fees as well. So there's a little left over. So you need to have at least a £15 selling price margin. Obviously, your purchase price is going to dictate your profit margin, but that's what you want to be looking at. So we're going to go into this first product here, and I'm going to look for the bestseller ranking on here to see how many units are being sold. So this is 46. Health and personal care is the main category, and that is absolutely excellent. But as you'll see, I had to click in there to find out how well this was selling. We can assume because it's top that it's selling well, but that doesn't actually tell us how well it's doing when we just hover over. We'll go to the second one. So this is a relatively new product because it's being sold in November 2018. We've got a lot less reviews, but you know what? It's not doing too bad. 3,000. Again, we don't know how many units are being sold, and we didn't know how well this was selling until we clicked on it. So I'm going to show you my first tool that I like to use. So I'll just open a Maze Owl. Maze Owl, there's a lot of options that are available for free, especially if you start with Amazon.com. The Amazon.co.uk options and all the other marketplaces will actually be paid-for options. You'll be able to hunt for products and put them into potential products, but when you start tracking and things like that, that's where the cost option comes. But in comparison to a lot of other products, for searching and finding great products on Amazon, you'll find this is competitively priced. I guess just search out for a Maze Owl on the web, and I'll probably provide a link for it in the bottom of this YouTube video as well. So I'm going to click on Hunt for products by keyword. So we're going to go back as well to Amazon. We're going to find our back posture corrector, which we knew was 72,000, so which is a good amount of Amazon traffic, or a good amount of people searching for it on the internet, should I say. We're going to then type that keyword phrase into a Maze Owl. We're going to hunt that, and what this is going to do now is going to pop out a little box, and it's going to check every single product for us on this page, and it's going to tell us how well it's selling, and it's going to tell us if it's a potential product or if it's a low potential product, and by that we're going to meet some criterias. So the health and personal care, if I click on settings, I'm going to click Amazon.co.uk, and you can see here that we're looking for products between 1 to 5,000 in the bestseller rank. Bestseller rank meaning number 1 is the best seller, 5,000 is a lot lower, but it won't be selling as many units, and the higher the number, the less sales you'll be getting. Obviously just seeing the rank at number 1 there being the best. You particularly, you should be looking for products which are within the 5,000 in most categories, but obviously some, like books for example, you can have in the 100,000 mark, because you'll still be making good sales. Every category is different. For example, in industrial, you want to have a bestseller rank of 1,000, but we're okay for home and kitchen and personal care to go with 5,000. If you want more sales and you want to only highlight those products which have got really, really good sales, and you'll be able to get an idea of how many sales per bestseller rank when we go a little bit further into this tool. So I'm just going to go back here, go back to the hunt for products. I'm going to type in posture corrector again, and I'm going to go through and I'm going to highlight the ones gold. That means it's going to be in the top 1,000. So we're going to click on that. I'm also going to click on this one. This is 4,000. I like this one here too. This has only got 100, but it's still selling really, really well. There's one here which is 2,000. I think we're just going to leave it at that. We could go and start clicking on some more here. This one's nice here. This one's particularly nice here too. Okay, so now that we've done that, I'm going to now return to the dashboard. You can see here that I've got these products looked in here. Now, it says here the bestseller rank is 2,000, but it's actually saying that it's only 8 sales a day. Whereas this one is 830, this is saying it's 16 sales a day. So this is going to depend on the marketplace you're in, because of being a bestseller rank of 2,000 in Amazon.co.uk is going to be a lot less sales than what it would be on Amazon.com. It's also going to be different in France, it's going to be different in Germany. So just bear that in mind. The software isn't always accurate. You have to have a look at other software, or you may have a spreadsheet where you can look at how a bestseller rank compares to the number of sales. Maybe you've got your own products that you're already running at the moment, so you can use them as a kind of a sounding board. So you can also see how long these products have been selling for as well, and you get a general idea of what they're making as well on a daily basis. Now, if we want to further track on this product, we can do, and I'm going to cover this in another video with a Maze Owl, because it would take a long time to go through each one, and I'll show you the benefits of that. But what I want to do is just show you another tool for finding great products. And just going to click back on this. I'm going to go to the main page again. We'll still use the back posture corrector, but I'm going to show you how it can work really well. So I'm going to take that keyword again, but this time I'm going to enable a tool called Helium 10. And this is the extension for the plugin. There's a whole host of suites of tools for Helium 10, but this is just their extension. And what this tells me immediately, you can see that this little section has now opened up above each product, and we can see straight away how well this product is selling based on the bestseller rank. Obviously we want the main category here, we want health and personal care. We're not bothered about the subcategory. Obviously we can see that some of the subcategories differ, like backs and braces and shoulder supports and things like that. We've seen the majority of these products on here, a lot of them are in are below 5,000. So it's really, really good. Now, we've just typed in one keyword phrase here. Some of the products might appear for different. So we like, for example, if we typed in back posture corrector for women, we'll get a different set of results, and there'll be different competitors at the top. What we're trying to do is to discover how many keyword phrases we can get, and we can add up to a large search volume pool. So we could take maybe 5 or 6 of these keywords, and then when we're building our product listing for our title description, we want to put these keywords in there, in the bullet points and the descriptions. I'll explain more on this in the videos as I go forward, but I'm just trying to give you a general look and feel of how I search for products. So let's try something different. Now we've got the Maze Owl plugin, now we've got the Helium 10 plugin going. Let me just try something completely at random. And if you're really stuck for words and where to start, I sometimes do use a Maze Owl itself to do a random pick of words. You can also just like Google random word, and this will give you some kind of idea, and just hunting around. This is what I'm generally trying to just show you. So let's just pick a random word here, and sneaker, extra, stress. You know what, let's go with stress. I like that one. So what it's going to do is going to pick all the way through. And where a maze owl would go through and sort of highlight based on that category, we're actually seeing this right now of what's coming up. So we've got actually an aromatherapy balm here, so a calm balm anxiety. And the only problem with this is that I'm seeing the price quite low. But you know, let's see if there's anything else. So if I put the space and we get the autofill on, we've got stress balls, which are the toys, stress proof, stress relief. Stress balls for children. This might be a much cheaper product and probably something we'd want to avoid. There's a squeezy toy here. This looks quite good. This has actually got a good bestseller ranking here. There's only one seller, so this looks like the Fanstech have got their own product for this. Toys are a great category. If you can get a good toy, and obviously you don't want to duplicate what everybody else has got. So I'm going to try something else. We'll go stress relief. Stress relief candles. Let's try something like that. If we can see anything there. Again, I'm looking for something which is over £15 and also is within sort of the 5,000 range. So we've got these air purifiers here. So we've got Purist Essential Oils. It's a diffuser. So we'll have a look at that. We'll run with that keyword. So stress diffuser perhaps. Or maybe we run with diffuser humidifier. What have we got here? Okay, we've got products which are over £15. We've got some great products which are in the 5,000. There's quite a lot here, quite a lot of different shapes and sizes. They all look very similar. There's a nice wood effect here, but certainly a decent looking product. So maybe we will try with the humidifier, see what we're looking at in terms of volume and traffic. Okay, so just for the diffuser humidifier here, we've got 109,000, cool mist humidifier 98, aroma diffuser humidifier. So all of these keywords add up to hundreds of thousands of a search volume. Mist humidifier, MIDI humidifier, air humidifier. So we could use something like this and probably then explore this product a lot further. And obviously I'm going to look at deep diving into certain products to actually pick them out. I wanted to just give you a general idea of some of the tools I've used. So I'm going to put these in the bottom of the video. Just to list them through again, I've used Merchant Words, I've used the Helium 10 plugin, which again has got a full suite of tools, but I just used that plugin for this one. And Maze Owl, I used that application, which it's almost like its own browser, and it uses, you can browse Amazon to go through products. You have got others like AMZ Scout or Jungle Scout, which is it's a plugin for there. You've got AMZ Tracker, which has a unicorn smasher as well. But I just wanted to show you the ones that I use and the ones that I'm using right now to pick products. And I think you'll find them useful. In the way that I've explained to go through them, you'll have your own way. Amazon is a bit of a needle in a haystack. You're going to want to pick a point and dig your way through. And I'm going to do more and more videos of going through, but what I'll do for right now is I'll just put some information in the bottom here. If you've got any comments on this video, I'd like you to share maybe some of the tools that you're using. I'd like you to comment on anything I've put here. That would be fantastic. I'd love to hear from you. I'd also like for some of you guys, if you do like the video, to like it. But I'm also going to give away some free information as well, so you can get that in the link in the video down the bottom. And I guess I'll see you on the next video. So thanks very much, and have a great day, guys.